Hello, today we're going to be doing a math question and it's on complex numbers. So consider this equation where z equals x plus iy and x and y are real numbers. Find the value of x and the value of y. Okay. So my approach, I feel like this has something to do with equating the real numbers and the imaginary numbers. But the first thing I would do is to just substitute z as x plus iy, and the z star is the conjugate, so we'll deal with that when it comes. So 3x plus iy over 5 minus, so the conjugate is just the imaginary part turning negative or positive. So it's still x, but it's minus iy this time. And this is equal to I. Okay, so 3x plus 3iy over 5 minus x plus iy. Okay, this I is looking weird. iy equals I. And now I want to remove this fraction, so I multiply this whole thing, each side. So it's 3x plus 3iy equals I 5 minus x plus iy. Okay. And let's distribute that bracket. So it's 5i minus ix plus I squared y. And I squared is -1. So yeah, why not? Let's just write the whole thing again. Okay. And now okay. Now we can just equate the real and imaginary parts. So 3x. Okay, so this is the real. Imaginary, real. So I'm gonna first deal with the real part. So 3x equals -y, and 3y, this is the imaginary part now, equals 5 minus x. Okay, so now we just have two equations, so the system of equations that we can just solve. Let's put this more down here. What we can do is rearrange the first one, so y equals -3x, and we can substitute that into the second one, so 3x equals 5 minus x, -9x equals 5 minus x, and that is Okay, so -8x equals 5. So x is -5 over 8. And this means, what was it again? Y equals -3x. So that means y is -3, -5/8, which is 15. 15, okay, that's 5/8. And those are our final answers. Thank you.